Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Celia Renanda, and now I want to explain my proposal with the title An Analysis of the Learning Patterns of Junior High School Students to Face the School Exam During COVID-19 Pandemic. Title Affirmations. The research title is Analysis of Learning Patterns of Junior High School Students to Face the School Exam During the COVID-19 Pandemic. Descriptions of the definitions of several terms contained in the title of these proposals as follows. The impact of the spread of COVID-19 pandemic makes students anxious, difficult, stressed, and even depressed when they are about to take school exams. Online learning system with different learning weight than usual makes students more depressed and even stressed to face exams that are conducted online. This can also be found. The teacher will provide learning patterns to their students to face current school exam. Background of the problem. Education is learning knowledge, skills, and groups of people that have been carried out from generations to generations through training or training. Education can take place under the guidance of teachers. However, when the COVID-19 pandemic hits every region of the country, including Indonesia, all learning systems are done online. Limitations of the problem. Not all problem will be discussed in this study. This is done so that discussion is not too broad and more focused as the title of this research is made. Research focus and sub-focus. This research will focus on the teacher strategies in use learning patterns of the learning process in COVID-19. And the sub-focus of this research is related to the school exam that students will face. Formula of the problem. The first is what is the learning patterns for facing school exam that will be carried out during COVID-19 pandemic. And the second, what are the solutions to overcome the barriers to learning patterns in pandemic era. Purpose of the research. The first is to review research and theory development of students' learning patterns in junior high school in pandemic COVID situations. And the second is to find out solutions to overcome the barriers to the learning patterns in the pandemic era. And benefit of the research. The first, in theoretical, the result of the study can add information about learning patterns, and in practice, being able to add knowledge and inspire about learning patterns in junior high school. And the relevant research, there are John D. Van Vincendons and the pembelajaran online pada masa pandemi COVID-19, and etc. Literature review, learning pattern. Pattern is from our design model that can be used to product apart something, especially if something that is generated has something similar for the basic patterns that can be shown. So can be concluded that a learning pattern is conceptual, a coherent whole of learning activity. And there are types of learning patterns. The first is project-based learning, second is online method, and the third is blended learning. Classifications of learning patterns. The first is teachers' learning patterns with the students without using material in the form of teachings. Teacher patterns with the teaching aids to the students. The patterns of the teacher using a medium to students. And the functions of learning patterns is helping and guiding teachers to choose learning pattern strategies so that learning objective can be achieved, and helping teachers to create behavioral change in students. Research methodology. Research method is a procedure or step in obtaining scientific knowledge or science. Research design. Researcher will use qualitative descriptive because this research aims to describe the fact or phenomena that occur during the research. In the study, we will describe about learning patterns to face school exam during COVID-19 pandemic. Research subject. There are two source data in this study. The first is primary source and secondary source. And data collecting technique. In the study, researchers select source data, observation, and interview. Research instrument. In every qualitative study, the researcher will realize all the data that has been collected in his research. Therefore, qualitative research has a lot of time drawing in doing its research. And then data analysis. Data analysis is the process of collecting data in order to obtain patterns or direct forms in a study. Typology. Categories in this typology can be in the form of an activity, place, learning strategy, and individual aspect. Discourse analysis. This data category can be used as a tool for analyzing natural data as well as data that has been conducted for equations. Data verifications. In the final step in analyze data is the data verification process. The data verification process aims to provide conclusion based on previously obtained data. Okay, enough for me. Thanks for watching, and Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.